Hi, everybody, and welcome to this episode of Beth's Best. This is part 2 of our trip vlog from December 2017. We're taking a minivan from Disney's Kidani to Bay Lake Tower, checking into our second resort. Hi, everybody, and welcome to this episode of Beth's Best. If you are just catching on to our adventure, we just left Kidani. We were at Kidani Village in a one-bedroom DVC villa there. We're here for a crazy 9 nights. And so we've switched rooms and we're now at Disney's Bay Lake Tower Resort in a one-bedroom Magic Kingdom view, so theme park view villa. This is 7820. Come check it out. Straight into the room, we've got the bathroom on the left side, which you'll see in a minute. And I want to point out this room does sleep up to 5 guests. So one of the nice things about this room is that there is a closet for your guests who might be sleeping out in this main common space. So I wanted to show you that real quick. It's not huge, but it's literally just a dedicated closet. It's got the pack and play and the vacuum and things, but it does have some hanging space and like the laundry basket. So just nice to have that as an option for guests who might have things that they want to hang. And then coming back into the hallway here, we're going to go into the bathroom. Okay, so Bay Lake and Kidani are the only 2 DVC resorts that have 2 bathrooms in the one-bedroom villas. This is obviously the secondary bathroom in this villa for people who might be sleeping out in the living room. Not a huge amount of counter space here because they've kind of kitty cornered this into the corner, but it definitely still works. It's a granite top. You get a little bit of storage space underneath for your cosmetic bags or toiletry bags or whatever it is that you might have. A little bit of shelf space up here as well. And there is a hook for towels, and then you've got the shower area, which you can see has just nice mosaic tile that ties into the colors of the room. Just nice and clean and modern, and the room really is actually quite clean. I have to say that. It even smells clean when you walk in. So perfectly fine bathroom. Really nice to have this as an option if you've got a large party. We're coming out of the bathroom. You're going to notice right here this closet. It's not actually a closet. It's you hiding your washer and dryer. All of the one-bedroom and larger villas for DVC resorts have their own in-unit washer and dryer, which is great. Love that. Okay, so we've checked out the bathroom, the hallway closet, and the washer and dryer. Now we're going to come into the main area of the room. And one of the things that you're going to notice, besides the view, which we'll get to in a minute, is that these ceilings are really tall. They're definitely vaulted ceilings, and it makes the room feel even more spacious and even more grand, which I absolutely love. You've got this full banquet eating area. I don't know how many people you can sit around here, but it is quite a few, probably more than you can even sleep in these units as a 2-bedroom. There is a studio next door that this unit will lock onto if you want to book it as a 2-bedroom. Okay, so we've got this amazing island here with 2 chairs that you can just kind of have a quick bite at or sit around and chit-chat while somebody's cooking. You've got all of these drawers with all of your utensils, your tongs, whatever it is that you might need. And of course, all of the DVC one-bedroom villas and larger do come with those kind of pots, pans, basic amenities for you to utilize a kitchen. But what makes Bay Lake extra special, in my opinion, is that I love that they built in some extra storage, which one of the criticisms I have about Kidani and a couple of the other DVC resorts is that there's no room for your own stuff. We like to bring like breakfast food, like snacks, like Cheez-Its and that kind of stuff. And you don't really want to have that stuff laying all over the counter. I mean, maybe it doesn't bother you, but I prefer not to have it out all over the place if I can avoid it. And one of the things that they added for Bay Lake, which is really nice, is that they added these extra storage spaces, just where they had little narrow pockets. You can fit a lot of stuff in this unit. It doesn't maybe look like it, but you can certainly fit a lot if you're utilizing all the space. So they gave us, this one is completely empty. There's a shelf below here, a small shelf that you can add some things to as well. And then there's a smaller version of that with some some shelving space here as well. So tons of storage space. Okay, this is the sleeper sofa here in this unit. It pulls out into a queen kind of double-sized bed. You've got extra pillows and linens for this bed hiding in the ottoman. You've got just a nice chair here, and then this chair does open up into a twin-size sleeper sofa. So this is where your 5th person is going to sleep in these units. And now we've got this giant TV, same size as the one that's at Kidani. I don't even know what this is. I don't know if this is 55 inches, 60 inches. I have no clue. All I know is this thing is massive, and they've recently added these with the soft goods refurb. With the soft good refurb, they also gave us a new carpet as well. That my husband and I own here. We are DVC members here at Bay Lake, so really appreciate that our dues went to something that I can actually see. And we got some shears as well on the windows, which they didn't have before, which is a really good idea. And we do have some storage here. They didn't replace everything. So some of the hard goods, like these cabinets, did not get replaced. But you do still have storage space for whoever is sleeping out in this living room space. You can have up to 3 people. You do have that small closet with some hanging space, and then it looks like you've got about 5 drawers here in this unit as well, and you've got your own bathroom. This door goes out into the balcony space, but I'll show you that off of the master. Okay, we're gonna check out the master. I'm gonna start with the master bathroom because it's really spectacular, and then we'll make our way into the sleeping space and then the balcony to end this portion of the video. Okay, now we're in the master bathroom. We've just only got one sink here, but it is certainly nice, granite tops. You've got a little bit of storage space here as well. Some drawers and cubbies to put your stuff. This jacuzzi tub is everything. Love the jacuzzi tubs in the 1 bedroom. And you do have a wall hook and some bars there for towels. There is a small closet here in the hallway coming into the room for people who are in this bedroom as well. And then you've got a separate kind of water closet area with the toilet and with the shower. In the bedroom, we've got this little storage unit here for some extra shoes and kind of a bench to put your chairs and your shoes on. And then we've got these 4 drawers, which are great. The TV is obviously not as big in here, but certainly it's going to work. We've got a massive king size bed here. They did not add USB chargers to the nightstands in here, which I think is kind of interesting that they didn't do that with the soft good refurb. But they didn't. Maybe the next go around with the hard goods, they will make that adjustment. Okay, we've got a small desk and a chair. But for the most part, that's pretty much it in the master room here. So we're gonna head out to the balcony next. Let's check out the balcony with our Magic Kingdom view. All about the view at this resort. We are in 7820. This is a theme park view room, obviously. We've got 2 chairs and a small coffee table, pretty standard for Disney. And there you go, you've got Magic Kingdom, you've got Cinderella's Castle, Space Mountain, we can see Big Thunder, the top of Main Street. Over here you've got Grand Floridian, the Contemporary A-Frame, the Main Hotel, the monorail line, Astro Orbiter. I mean, just absolutely so much here to see. Alright, so this is just part 1 of this video, which is part 2 in a series. I know, it's a lot of parts. We are heading tomorrow to Epcot to the DVC member Moonlight Magic Party, so if you want to see what that's all about, stay tuned. That's coming up right next. Hi everybody. So we were at Magic Kingdom. We checked into Bay Lake, and we went over to Magic Kingdom with our friends, and we did some fast passes. Yeah,
we solid.
Yeah, we did Peter, we did Mine Train, and what else did we do? We did People Mover.
People Mover was good.
Yeah. Oh, and Big Thunder. We did Big Thunder. So now we are at, can you tell where we are? We are at Wilderness Lodge, and we're going to check out the new Geyser Point Bar and Grill. Have you been there yet?
No, I haven't been there.
I haven't been there yet.
Looks like a good bar tap.
So we're going to go check out Geyser Point, and we're going to bring you along with us. Okay, we're at Geyser Point, and I got the mojito. Is that what it's called? It's like a mojito with coconut water. Never had it before. Super light, super refreshing. Not overly sweet at all. I mean, a little sweet, but not overly sweet. I like it.
I got the Northwest iced tea.
Yeah.
There's some gin in it, gin, vodka, some sweet and sour sauce, sweet and sour mix.
Sweet and sour sauce.
Sweet and sour sauce, yeah, that would be
interesting.
Great.
Yeah.
Sweet and sour mix and a drop of Coca-Cola.
Okay, how is it?
It's pretty good. It's strong. It's good.
Sounds strong with all those liquors in it. My goodness. All right. Okay. And we we got some popcorn, so that'll be coming up next.
The seasonal truffle popcorn.
Okay, Mom, what'd you get for a drink?
Blueberry lemonade, pomegranate syrup on it. It's very tasty. It's not too sweet, not too acidic.
Yeah, you would reorder that? All right. And then the popcorn's here. So let's try that one. Truffle popcorn, seasonal menu. It's salty. I get the truffle.
There's the truffle.
Yeah.
Tastes like normal popcorn.
Really? You don't get the truffle?
I don't get too much popcorn.
Yeah, it's not aggressive.
You could use more salt.
Oh, I think it's salty. Okay. Okay, we also got waffle fries with chili on the side. So let's try that. With the chili. All right, let's see.
Spicy.
Tasty? All right, tasty is the first vote. Go ahead. Sans chili. Let's see what we think.
Dip it in there.
Yeah. Got like a twofer here.
Crispy. The sour cream is good. Tastes pretty fresh.
Waffle fries are good. Super crispy. I think that would be a redo, people.
Hanging out at our home resort, having some beers.
Okay, so today's been kind of a crazy day. Actually, a nice relaxing day. What am I saying? It wasn't really crazy at all. So this is Monday, and we moved into Bay Lake, which you already saw the room tour on, and then we spent like a nice relaxing day. My husband and I went to Magic Kingdom, we did a couple fast passes, and we just kind of enjoyed the resort, which is not hard to do when you're staying in Bay Lake, the Magic Kingdom, theme park room. And tonight, right now, we are just about ready to start the Epcot DVC Moonlight Magic Party, just for DVC members, on Monday night here, December 4th. They just closed the park to regular admission guests for the day. It's a little after 9:30, and we're getting ready for the fun activities. Got my brochure here, so we're going to do all of that kind of good stuff. And we're going to be meeting up with some friends, but I'm going to try and video as much as I can. That way, if you are coming to a DVC party, you're going to know what to expect.
No, the line's back here.
Please remain seated with hands, arms.
Delicious friends for food. Delicious little friends.
So we're in the Land Pavilion, and they have a special meet and greet with me. So Sunshine Stations is set up as a complimentary food and beverage station. They have hot dogs in like a little container with chips and a cookie. That's pretty much it. They also have carrots and apple slices, so not a lot of variety, but it's free, and you can also get a free stop.
Once appeared as desolate as the desert, but over time, rainwater and nutrients gradually penetrated the hard surface of this land. Even the hooves of the mighty buffalo helped create the rich soil that would one day become home to the American farm. Welcome to our living laboratory, where scientists from Epcot and around the world. These are just a few of the edible plants that have been an important source of nutrition for people living in the tropics. Many are rich in vitamins and minerals. These plants are definitely on their way up. Innovative growing. The future future of agriculture may include innovative ideas.
Jump, 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 jump!
And now, let's cast our eyes to the night sky for our Moonlight Magic fireworks. Enjoy, everyone.
Good morning, everybody. It is, what day is it? Tuesday. It's Tuesday, and we are at Pandora at Disney's Animal Kingdom Park, and we have fast passes for the Flight of Avatar or the Banshee ride. We've done it before, and it's really good, so we're going to do it again.
Avatars can ride on Banshees too. That's why you're linking to an avatar. It was Dr. Ogden who
We're eating again. So we did the Avatar Flight of Passage. It was incredible. We've done it before. Really, really good. Every time I do it, I just think, wow, they really like blew it out of the water with that one. And then now we're at Flame Tree Barbecue. If you couldn't tell by the onion rings. Thank God for mobile ordering. The line was like out into the plaza area. It was so long. Just mobile ordered. Food was ready in a couple minutes. Worked out slick. Chad, what do you think of the ride?
The ride was awesome. They have all the smells you expect as if you're flying through the forest. You have the smell of dirt and the ocean. And
we're just wrapping up our stay here at Disney's Bay Lake Tower. We've been here in a one-bedroom theme park view villa, which you already saw, for the last 3 nights. First we stayed at Kanani, then we went to Bay Lake, and now we are headed to Disney's Boardwalk Villas for 4 nights in a 2-bedroom Boardwalk View villa. Very excited. We're also meeting up with 7 other family members who are flying in today, so that's exciting as well. Hit like if you thought this video was helpful. That will make it appear higher in the search feed for other people who might be interested in looking at Disney's Bay Lake Tower. And hit subscribe to follow along on my next adventure. Thanks for watching this episode of Beth's Best, and I'll talk to you real soon.